we will discuss in this particular lecture about the introduction of the aquatic weeds. As we know, the control of aquatic weeds is very important for fish culture. Any fish culture is if it is not knowing the how to control the aquatic weeds, aquatic insect, algal bloom, then it will affect upon the fish production. So the presence of small amount of certain aquatic plants is essential. It is useful for the fish culture, but if more growth is there uncontrolled and useless growth is going on in the water body, then we have to remove it. So the dense growth of weeds assimilate a large production of nutrients. They consume large nutrients present in the water body, so we have to remove it. That's why the fishes will get the good amount of the nutrients. So this it will affect the fish production, population, limiting available fish food. So here these are some important things due to which we have to remove the aquatic weeds in time. So they restrict the fish movement as they interfere with fishing operations, beside serving as ideal hunts for predatory fishes and insects. No doubt about it, but their more presence in the water body or the pond is causing inhibitory effect on fish production. So the surface cover of the floating weeds prevent light penetration. As it is well known, when light is not penetrated, then plankton production will not be normally going on, and it will affect upon the availability of the food for fishes. As we know, there is a food chain of producer, consumer, tertiary consumer and decomposer in aquatic body. So excessive development of algae have been causing notions or irritation in the cultivated fish organisms and small reservoirs. So they even cause the fish mortality due to oxygen depletion. Sometimes if more growth of the aquatic weeds is there, they may cause decrease in oxygen level of the water body, which will be affecting adversely by mortality of the fishes. So carp culture is best done in 3 stages, where the spawn are reared to fry in nursery ponds, fry are reared to fingerlings in rearing pond, and fingerlings are reared to table size fish in the stocking ponds. To get desired result in proper sense, proper management is essential. 3 category of the ponds, different types of the managements are essential. So these managements, types of aquatic weeds, free floating weeds are there, which remain free floating with their above surface, and roots are in the water. So Ecornia, Pistia, Salvia, Spirodela, Lamina, Olphia and Azolla are some free floating weeds. These are freely swimming or freely floating in the water and higher aquatic plants, and they cause difficulty for the fish movements. Thank you. We'll discuss left things in our next lecture.